just constant to be with you. That's why I need is over the on. I had a picture in my mind. Cities that try and calm my thoughts. I do think I can try to find it. Stay right away together. I need is over the on. I had a picture in my mind.
What's up, 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 what's up? It's Amber. Welcome back to the channel. And today we have a mukbang. And I'll be chatting a little bit with y'all. We're gonna talk about a little this, a little that. Just briefly, but mostly this is a mukbang. See, I went to Walmart, y'all. Came home. I went to Walmart. Got me a seafood boil. And came home and made it. You know. Came home and made it, right? And it wasn't hard to make it all. But we gon' try it. This is what it looks like, guys. See that? Looks yummy, huh? Looks good. Tastes better. Yes, I washed my hands. Got some butter that I made, and you're gonna top it off with a Seagram's. With a Seagram's ginger ale. Hold on, let me fix something. Try to scoot this closer. Amen. So let's dig in. So guys, that's good. I want to come in here and talk about a little bit of everything that's been going on. Probably wondering where I've been. I have been working on me, studying for some stuff, and things of that nature. But that's good. That's where I've been. That's good. So I wanted to talk about first thing on the hot takes list. These are just my hot takes on this different stuff going on. Go ahead and pour this butter on here. Let me stir it up a little bit. I'm just go ahead and pour it all. Yeah. So, Boosie, you in the hot seat, bro. Why did you do your daughter like that? Talking about why have you been doing your daughter like that is the question. if you all don't know, Boosie is kind of prejudiced. Not kind of. He's prejudiced against his daughter because she's gay. And she has a girlfriend. And she's openly gay. Okay. That's one thing. But to go ahead and say that's a multitude of things that he is against her. He came out recently speaking about it, saying, don't make it seem like I'm not a good father. I love all my kids. If you love me, if you trust me, prove it. You know what I'm saying? Prove it. You know what I'm saying? You're not acting like you love her. And that's my problem with Boosie. He's slick as scam. Because why you come out with a song, two red bones kissing in the back seat? But you're homophobic. That's the problem with men. Like somebody said on Twitter, wish I can find it. If I find the tweet, I'm gonna put it up. They said Boosie will never get canceled because he represents a specific type of black men. I concur. I agree. It's like the black and mild black men. And if you smoke black and mild, nothing against you. But he's a specific black and milder. Okay? Let me break this. Okay? I'm trying to gather my words because this food is good too. So I'm trying to enjoy it too. He's a black and milder for sure. But the problem is, ooh, the problem is he won't get canceled because it's people that think like that too. And what's crazy about it, she came out and did a video, and she was stating how, you know what I'm saying, you keep bringing God into this, but I never learned that from you. I learned God from my mother. She said, she goes on to say, you taught me make sure this is recording. Okay, it's recording. She goes on to say, you taught me how to be a hustler, how to not take, no it from nobody. And it's like, don't be the worst kinds though that sit up here and won't even talk to your daughter about how you feel about her sexuality, which shouldn't really be a factor anyways, but you don't even talk to her like she said in the video, but you'll talk to Carisha on a video, or you'll talk to these different creators, these different journalists in an interview, but you won't even talk to her, sit down with her and talk. Don't be the one. She also stated that you been knew she was like that before you came out and said that you did it. Which is strange. It's just strange altogether how he's acting towards his own flesh and blood. Like your own flesh and blood, though. Whew, y'all be safe out here. I rate this about a 7.5 out of 10. If you don't have enough respect, I'm gonna just say this and be done with the Boosie topic. I'm not gonna say any topics too long because I don't want this video to be too long. But oh, I can't pop that. If you don't have any respect for a grown woman who's woman enough to live in her truth and has been done nothing but love on you and still show you respect after how you treat her publicly, I don't have no respect for you, bruh. To my son, y'all ain't finna make me look like a bad father. You made yourself look like a bad father. How about them hot cakes? Cash that and take it to the bank. Ooh, this is kind of tough to crack. Ooh. Next, I want to talk about the iPhone 16. Y'all, why they scam us like that? I mean, I might still get the phone, but why they scam us like that? Talking about some Apple intelligence, and then when the phone come out, ain't nothing intelligent about it. It's still stupid. The phone is still the same. The camera is still the same. The only thing different is the color. Oh, excuse me. That's the only thing different. Y'all didn't come out with the software like y'all advertise. That's false advertisement, bruh. Invite me to. Y'all should go ahead and send me an invitation to the next event. Cause I slick love y'all down iPhone, but y'all don't have to do us like that. Ooh, I'm not finna. These slick hard to open. Like, it's becoming redundant. Apple is becoming redundant with these releases. I hate to say it, but they are. They've been a little redundant, but it's OD redundant now. And that wasn't a legit upgrade. Like, y'all gonna have to come better than that. Simple, straight up, put it like that. Come up with something better. Like, can we get more customizable features or what? But I'm gonna be honest. Just about every phone company is coming out with phones like every year. Hard to believe, but it's the truth. Next, I want to talk about briefly Beyonce. Y'all get up here on this girl's internet daily, hourly, seconds, complaining about how she don't talk to y'all and she's boring, which is simply not the case. She just has boundaries. You know what I'm saying? And that's what y'all don't like. And when I say y'all, I mean people that get on the internet blast her all day. Yes, I'm part of the Beehive. Move along. Like I said, Beyonce isn't boring. She just has boundaries. Something y'all should try out. She don't want y'all knowing everything about her kids. You know what I'm saying? She don't want her kids out there all like that. She don't want to sell her kids away. And I completely understand that. Even though I'm not a mother, I'm a daughter. And I don't want to be sold away. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people. She's protecting what's hers. Her family. The sacredness of privacy. You know what I'm saying? She wants them to live a normal life. I read the article that she did with GQ. It was really fascinating, by the way, to learn more about her, music she listens to, and things of that nature. But a lot of people were rooting for Doechii, or are rooting for Doechii, and she mentioned that she listens to Doechii, which isn't a surprise to me because she performed during Renaissance. You know what I'm saying? So that wasn't a big surprise to me. But just for her to give a shout out, excuse me, price went up. You know what I'm saying? Price went up. But back to Beyonce and her boundaries. She's protecting the sanctity of privacy. And you cannot be mad at her for that. Like, come on now. Y'all, she do everything to entertain y'all. She wants a normal life too, at some point. You know what I'm saying? Even though there's nothing normal about it, really. But she's a person, human being, just like everybody else. I don't know why that's so hard to comprehend. Some days I don't even get on social media, let alone post. And it's just interesting how y'all bug her about that. Call her boring, but y'all say she a witch. Y'all say this, that, and the third. All these crazy accusations. Y'all say the girl killed Tupac. Like, what? Like, come on. Let's be real. Let's be freaking for real, bro. Y'all make up the most asinine assumptions about this woman and expect her to want to get on here daily and talk to y'all like y'all ex-boon coon. Not gonna happen. And I'm glad, cause that's what y'all get. Ever since y'all calling her daughter nappy headed, and you know what I'm saying, she ain't been to the BET since. Ever since y'all talk bad about her and Y'all talk down on her husband. I wouldn't want to talk to y'all either. I wouldn't want to talk to y'all either. No. Next, we're going to talk about Cardi B. Cardi B got her get back. And it's okay. It's okay. Like, you will survive. You will survive. Like, there's nothing wrong with getting your get back. Even though people say, you know, vengeance is the Lord's, thus said he. Ain't nothing wrong with a little get back. But sometimes the get back, you still gotta have a little, you know what I'm saying, a little couth about yourself. Like, don't let them change your character now. But I mean, get your get back. But let's be real now. And a lot of people are making it seem like she's a HOE 304, whatever you want to call it, for doing what she did while she is what she is. Okay, I'm back, guys. I had to take a business call. Had to get me something to clear my hands with. But yeah, Cardi B got her get back, and it's okay. A lot of y'all be getting y'all get back, so let her, you know what I'm saying, let her rock out. That's all I'm gonna say on that, because I got a little cousin that be watching. But Cardi B was on live. No, one thing I can say, it did get a little messy. It got a little messy there for a minute. You know what I'm saying? It got a little messy there for a second. Got some shell in my mouth. But nobody deserves to be talked to like that. Publicly or behind closed doors. Or talked about like that. It's a shame. But y'all let me know what y'all think about these topics down below in the comments. I want to hear what y'all got to think. Even though I'm speaking about them briefly. Because this video is like already like 20 something minutes. Y'all, I gotta say this too. Diddy going down. I knew he wasn't about nothing as a kid when I watched him make them boys walk all the way to Brooklyn from wherever they walk to another city, like eight blocks or more. You know what I'm saying? For some cheesecake. Now Freddie P talking about the cheesecake was for Beyonce. But it sounded like it was for Diddy, but Diddy just said, go ahead, take it to Beyonce. See how y'all be bringing her name up and stuff, and it don't even be that serious. The girl probably didn't even want it. It sounded like Diddy just said, hey, Beyonce can have it. The way he told the story. But, yeah. Diddy going down. And it's starting to have a ripple effect on other people's money. And they bag. You know what I'm saying? Like, Mimi Foss can't get her bag because her baby daddy associated with Diddy. Like, make it make sense. But hey, I see why they would feel that way, but it's still like, okay, like clearly they don't even want with each other like that. And there's so much about Diddy that I can talk about, but I'm gonna have to do that in a separate video. Like really go in on it and break it down. Cause things are happening left and right, y'all. Like it's like a Dragon Ball Z saga. Like on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z, Diddy confesses that all of his friends were involved. And you know, it's got so many shells on it. And yeah, I did it going down. And like I said, it has a ripple effect on the industry. I'm pretty sure people are lawyering up. And, you know, I heard he's not eating in prison or wherever he's at. But that ought to hold him. In the words of my grandma, that ought to hold him. Like 1,000 bottles of baby oil. Like, come on, let's be for real. Let's be for real. And it was spiked. Be for real, Diddy. Yeah, separate video on that coming. I'm gonna have to do my big one on that one, cause Diddy is a monster. And looks like he was eating y'all for dinner. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, baby. But last thing I want to talk about, Shannon Sharp knew he was live. Come on, bro. All that it takes to go live on Instagram, you gotta press this, you gotta press, are you sure you want to go live? Like, come on, let's be for real. Let's be for real here. That's all I'm gonna say on that, because I got a little cousin watching me. Yeah. I don't want to say too much on that. That's my Michelle. A mess, honey. But yeah, what else y'all want me to talk about in the next mukbang? Let me know in the comments below, and we will talk about it. And lastly, I want to know, what is y'all listening to? Every mukbang I'm gonna ask y'all, what are y'all listening to at the moment? What do y'all have in rotation? Right now, I have a lot of Brent Faiyaz in rotation. And Renaissance by Beyonce in rotation. And pop this drink, and that's gonna be all she wrote. Good luck ASMR for you. But that's it for this video, guys. Like, subscribe. Let me know how you feel about these topics down in the comments below. Follow me on all plats. And yeah, we out. Alright, bye guys.
I just constant to be with you. That's why I need is over the